So our employment and immigration team have a real passion for something that we call ethical HR. And that basically is all about making sure that you deal with your people issues in a way that is humane and not only complies with the legal obligations which all businesses have to comply with, but does it in a way that actually looks at that wider impact. What's the impact on your culture and values? What's the ripple effect of anything that you're doing? Is there a way that you can deal with these things that's humane, the least impact negatively on your employees? There's loads of different ways that this could work, but I guess the cornerstone is employee engagement. You want to make sure that your staff are fully engaged in the organisation, they know where you're going, they've got opportunities to be heard, and that they're engaged in those change management processes. A couple of other more practical examples, I guess, could be around hybrid working. So it's around balancing, isn't it, the competing interests between what staff want and what the business needs. And again, going on that journey to help people understand that the business needs have to be met as well as individuals' needs, and working with businesses to get the correct structures in place, the correct processes, and the correct employee engagement so that that works successfully. Other practical examples could be around redundancy. It's quite a set process and you've got to go through it to hit the right things by law, but there are ways and means that you can do this to make this much more human. So for example, getting your comms right, getting the early communication in, putting into place support for people who are going through this, and also support for the managers and the persons affected around. And just looking at the whole process from end to end to make sure that it is genuine and is in line with your values, even if it's at a really tough time for the business.